Welcome to another episode for your channel here at Carbon Media. Again, this is Mikey. And today, it's Dyno Day! Ayun, ipapadyno natin tong videos natin at DynoPro for a baseline dyno so that malaman natin kung ano ang current horsepower ng engine natin. So, samahan nyo ako! Let's go! Dyno day for us, and we're going to baseline dyno this car before we change the engine. So para makita natin, finally malaman na natin kung ano yung current horsepower niya sa mga upgrades na nilagay natin dito sa ating 1.3 engine. So pasok na natin. There you go, we are now inside DynoPro and napasok na natin. So they'll set it up muna yung mga harness for the dyno. So kailangan kasi naka-harness yan para hindi gumalaw yung kotse. So wait natin. We're now here at DynoPro. So we're going to do is just a baseline dyno for our car. So basically no tuning for this one. Titignan lang natin kung ano ang output na horsepower nitong Vios natin with all of the bolt-on upgrades na ginawa natin. So malaman natin kung talaga bang may nangyari kung may upgrades ba, di ba kuya? Di ba? Ayan, so nang malaman natin, tsaka bago natin isang pa yung bago nating makina. Ayan, higpitan na nila yung mga harness. Almost ready. Usually for the baseline dyno, 3 heats or 3 rounds of checking kung ilang horsepower. So hopefully malaman natin, baka umabot tayo 95 horsepower. Ito na yung meter on their screen. So we are seeing a lot of numbers here. So ayan, yan, they already put carbon media on this one. Yeah, for our Vios. So we'll see kung anong makukuha nating numbers for today's session. final verdict, 90 horsepower, almost 91 on this one. So ayan, finally nalaman na rin natin kung anong horsepower output nitong engine natin. 1.3 automatic 2NZ with all of the bolt-ons that we did, the intake manifold, yeah, the wood intake, the injectors, the throttle body, and the DTE pedal box system na nilagay din natin. So ayan, finally we tried the DTE din on this one. Success, na-meet natin yung target natin na at least 90, and yes, it's 90-91. So pwede na, pwede nang palitan. Pwede nang palitan yung makina. Sampan na natin bago nating engine. So na baseline natin siya 90-91 horsepower, and hopefully once na-install natin yung 1.5 na engine with the supercharger, hopefully mag more than 100, 110, 120 sana, 110, 120 on that one. So malalaman natin in a few next month pag nasampa, then we'll do the tuning here at DynoPro. So this is it for today. Salamat sa mga friends natin from DynoPro. Thank you for accommodating us today. Napakabilis lang, no hassle, very convenient. Yan, buti maluwag ang schedule nila today. So this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey for Carbon Media. Thank you for watching. Peace out.